Hello everyone, welcome to Cosmic Kids. I'm Jamie and this is your place for yoga, stories and fun. Now all you've got to do is copy the moves I do and enjoy the adventure. So let's begin, how we begin every adventure, sitting on our bottoms with our legs crossed, with our hands together at our heart centre and saying our secret magic yoga code word, which is Namaste. Ready? After 3. 1, 2, 3. Namaste. There. Now we're ready to begin. And today we're off down under to Australia to meet a kangaroo called Kickapoo. It's a long journey, so we're going to pack a suitcase. Putting your legs out long in front of you, take your arms out wide. Let's twist all the way around one way and let's get some sun cream because it can get really hot in Australia, and let's put that in our suitcase. Oop. Let's take our arms out wide again and twist round the other way, and let's get a sun hat, and then we won't get a burnt head. Let's put that in our suitcase as well. Oop. Now let's bend our knees a little bit, lift up our arms and close our suitcase. Ooh. Touching our toes with our fingers. Now before we get on the aeroplane, let's get our bodies ready. Let's cross our legs and lift up our shoulders and drop them down. Lift up our shoulders and drop them down. Let's lift up one shoulder up and the other shoulder up, and drop the first shoulder down and drop the second shoulder down, and we'll go up, up, down, down, up, up, down, down. You've got it, that's right. Now we're going to roll our heads round to get our necks feeling lovely. Rolling all the way round one way and all the way round the other way. And now let's do a bit of twiddling with our wrists and our ankles. Let's lean back and put our feet flat. Lifting up one foot, let's go round in a circle. Easy peasy. Now let's lift up the other foot and go round in a circle with that one. Can we do it with our hands as well? Let's try the first one. Yes. And let's go round with the other one. Yay! Phew, this is quite hard, but I think we're now ready for our journey on the aeroplane. We come onto our knees and bring our arms wide. We drop down onto one arm and wave at the sky. Then we bring our foot in front of our knee and shoot our leg out to the side. And we go meow all the way around half of the world. Then we come back onto 2 knees, bring our arms out wide, tilt down onto the other side, wave at the sky, bring our other foot in front of our knee and shoot out that back leg. And we go meow all the way around the other half of the world until we arrive in Australia, where we stretch and yawn. What a long journey. But the sun's out, so we stand up tall and we say, hello, sun. Then we drop all the way down, bending all the way down to touch our toes and say, hello, earth. We put our hands down and take one foot all the way back behind us and we say, beep, beep. We take our other foot back and come down onto our tummies, where we lift up our shoulders and we go sss, like a hissy, scary Australian snake. Then we tuck our toes under, lift up our bottoms and come into our dog position, or our dingo position, which is a dog in Australia. We lift up our dog tail, we give it a wag, we put it between our hands, whoop, and we say beep, beep. We bring our other foot back and we say, hello, earth. Then we reach up to the sunshine and we say, hello, sun. We get into our truck. We're going to drive into the bushland. We start the engine. Brum, 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 brum. We're going over to one side. Brum, 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 brum. We're going over to the other side. Brum, 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 brum. We're going down a hill. Brum, 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 brum. We're going up a hill. Brum, 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 brum. We sit up tall, we look out the window and we say, g'day, which is hello in Australian. Then we go round the other way and we say, g'day. And you know what that word means now? Yes, and we've arrived in the bushland, but we're super tired, so we decide to put up our tent and camp for the evening. We stand up, putting out our poles and lifting our tent right up. Now we check the zip works coming all the way down, zip, and checking that it goes up again, zip. Uh-oh, it's got stuck. Let's go down again, zip, and up, zip. Uh-oh, it's got stuck again. Let's try it again. Zzz, and up again. Zzz, 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 zzz. Yay, it works. Thank goodness for that. Let's get on all fours and get inside like a pussycat. 1 paw, 2 paws, 3 paws, 4 paws. We get into our sleeping bags and snuggle up for the night. In the morning, we're woken up by lots and lots of birds singing, and they're singing a special song. Wrap your arms around and lift up your elbows. Ready? Kookaburra sits in the old gum tree, Merry, merry king of the bush is he. Laugh, Kookaburra, laugh, Kookaburra gay your life must be. Wow, Kookaburra, that's brilliant. We come out of our tent and we take a big breath of the lovely fresh air. And to our surprise, sitting in front of us, looking rather scared, is a tiny little kangaroo. She says, "G'day, my name is Kickapoo. I'm a kangaroo and I've lost all of my kangaroo friends. I was wondering if you could help me find them." Well, of course we'll help. So we put up our tent, pack it up and put it away. Then we hop off with Kickapoo into the bush. Hands down, little bunny hops. Whoop, boing, whoop, boing. Where we come to a tree. We stand up, 1 foot on top of the other, and bring our hands together and grow our tree up very tall. Now maybe we can open up our branches and, I wonder, can I blow you trees over? Let's have a test, shall we? I'm going to try. Here we go, standing still. Wow, you're still standing up. I don't know how you do it. Let's try it on the other leg this time. 1 foot on top of the other, hands together at your heart. Bring your tree nice and tall and open up your branches. Can you count to 5 with me? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yay! You did it. Well done, you. But slithering down the branches of this tree slithers a snake. Oh no, we're a little bit frightened. But Kickapoo isn't, and she hops right up to the snake and says, "G'day, excuse me, but have you seen my friends, the kangaroos? I can't find them and I'd really like to." Well, the snake, much to our surprise, is really nice, and she hisses, "No, I haven't seen your friends, but I will help you find them if you like." Wow, we weren't expecting such a mean, nasty-looking snake to be so friendly. Wow, we must think about that again sometime. Now, we come to a river where we find a crocodile, long and large, and he's basking in the sun, snapping his jaws rather lazily. Oh. Kickapoo isn't afraid of him, and she hops right up to the crocodile and says, "G'day, excuse me, Mr. Crocodile, but have you seen a group of kangaroos? They're my friends, and I've lost them, and I'd really like to find them." The crocodile yawns again and says, "Oh, well, no, I haven't seen your friends, but if you'd like some help crossing the river, hop on my back. I'll take you across." Well, we weren't expecting such a friendly response from a crocodile. We get onto the crocodile's back very carefully, and we have to balance so that we don't fall in the water. Oh, it's a bit wobbly. Gosh, all of these mean, nasty-looking animals are actually quite friendly. We hop off the other side, where we meet a dingo. A dingo is a dog, remember? Hands down, put your legs down, and look up. Look up into your belly button. Maybe go woof, 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 woof. Now, this dingo has rather sharp-looking teeth, and he's licking his chops. Oh dear, we're not sure about saying hello to him. But Kickapoo is not afraid, and she hops straight up to him. Boing, boing, boing. G'day, she says. Excuse me, but have you seen my friends, the kangaroos? I can't find them at all. The Dingo does a big stretch up. Oh, and all the way down. Oh, and says, you know what? Yeah, I did see your kangaroo friends. They went into that cave. Follow me. A cave? Oh, we're not sure about the cave. It looks a bit dark and it looks a little bit damp. But we go in, tiptoeing as we go. Shh, tiptoe, tiptoe. We look above us and we see lots and lots of bats. Oh, we're not sure about bats. Jump all the way round and take your legs wide and bend all the way down and look between your legs, because bats hang upside down and they've got big wide eyes. But instead of being mean, they give us a big wave. Hello, they say. But all of a sudden we're stuck in a spider's web. Oh dear. And scuttling towards us very quickly is a spider. But instead of being really mean, she says, oh, you poor things. You got into my web and all tangled. Your friends just popped through a minute ago. Why don't I unspin you and then you can go after them? Oh, wow, what a kind and friendly spider. And she begins to unspin us. So we are free to hop through to the other side of the cave. Boing, 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 where among the rocks there are lots and lots of little friendly kangaroos. And guess what? They're all playing Didgeridoos. Didgeridoos are long wooden tube things and they go like this. Why don't you have a go? They're very happy kangaroos and they're playing a game of kangaroo statues. Would you like to play? Yes? Shall we have a go? Here we go then, everyone. Up we go and ready to dance like a kangaroo. Here we go. Boing, 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 boing. Tiny kangaroo down, sport. Tiny kangaroo down. Tiny kangaroo down, sport. Tiny kangaroo down. The music stopped, so we have to freeze. Tiny kangaroo down, sport. Tiny kangaroo down. Tiny kangaroo down, sport. Wow, you're really good at this, aren't you? Goodness me. But it's time to go home now. And coming out of the sky is an eagle. Bend your knees and take one leg across. Then take one arm under the other and bring it up to meet your face. Then you're going to twist, twist, twist the other arm up and bend down even further like an eagle. Then we're going to unravel and we're going to do it on the other side, taking your other leg across, bending down and taking your other arm under, lifting it up and twisting them round, bending down. This eagle very kindly offers to take us all the way home. We hop onto the eagle's back and she begins to fly. Spreading her big, long eagle wings, we set off, soaring into the sky, waving at all of our new friends as we go. Oh, what an amazing adventure. But we're ready now to settle down into the soft, warm feathers on the back of this eagle. Lying all the way down, we put our arms down by our sides and we lay long and relaxed. Ah, what a special time. We've learnt so much with Kickapoo. We could say hello to everyone. And just because someone might look mean or scary doesn't mean they're going to be horrible. So maybe we should take the time to get to know people before we make a judgment about them. But for now, we enjoy lying on the back of this eagle with the wind in our hair and the sunshine on our bodies all the way home. Slowly we begin by wiggling our toes and then wiggling our fingers. Then we bring our knees up and roll over onto our sides, sitting up. with our legs crossed again. Back to where we started, with our hands together in our heart centre. And after 3, our special yoga code word. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Namaste. Well done, everyone. Well done for coming to Australia and meeting Kickapoo the Kangaroo. She loved you, and I loved you too. It was great hanging out with you today. I hope you come back for more Cosmic Kids soon. Bye-bye.